Okay class. Your teacher is having trouble breathing last night. So she has to stay in a hospital for a week for a recovery. So I'm going to be your substitute teacher for this week. So it's time to sing a good song.
Shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker. You're a cocksucking ass licking Uncle Fucker. You're an Uncle Fucker, yes it's true. Nobody fucks uncles quite like you.
Shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker. You're the one that fucked your uncle, Uncle Fucker. You don't eat or sleep or mow the lawn, you just fuck your uncle all day long.
What's going on here?
What's garbage?
Well, what do you expect? They're Canadian.
Shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker. You're a bonafide fucking Uncle Fucker.
You're an Uncle Fucker, I must say.
You fucked your uncle yesterday.
Uncle Fucker, that's U-N-C-L-E. Fuck you, Uncle Fucker.
Suck my balls.
Peter Puppet, that is not a good song. This song had dirty words in it. Go to the principal's office now.
No.
Peter Puppet, how dare you sing an inappropriate song in school? You know this song contains language. That's it, you're grounded for a whole week.
Go to your room now, and tomorrow I will put on shows that are aired on Nip Jr., Nickelodeon, PBS Kids, HBO Family, Boomerang, Disney Channel, Disney Junior, and Disney XD, and I will block the channels you like such as Adult Swim and Comedy Central. If I catch you watching shows that aired on Adult Swim and Comedy Central, you will be grounded for another week.
It's not fair. I'm looking forward to the newest episode of Robot Chicken.
Peter Puppet, shut your freaking mouth and go to your room.